Okay, so I wrote these slides a long time ago, so I don't remember what's on it, so I'm going to do a little bit of reading. I am a postdoc with the TORS project. I'm from computer science, background in design. But we've been basically looking at, so I'm supposed to represent sort of the human side, the patient side of sort of building the TORS system, and thinking about when we build an AI for working with real world data, we actually need to use real people and their real data. So we did sort of a photo elicitation study to kind of see, like, how do people live in their homes, how do they care in their homes, how does that potentially impact the building of an AI system and the gathering of data. And really it was thinking about how would this then be used in real clinical trials, like gathering home data, and how will home data, which is not as clean and neat as, sort of data sets, be sort of changing how we design the models that we use. Essentially, for the second study that I'm looking at, we're thinking about how data actually moves through an AI system, and so any sort of input on that would be helpful. Yeah, and my time's up.